Las Vegas is built on the backs of construction workers, but the job itself remains one of the most dangerous. In 2021, nearly 1,000 construction workers in the US never made it home. That's part of an 8.9% increase in total fatal work injuries. In Nevada, the risk is just as severe, with 14 construction fatalities and nearly 4 incidents per 100 workers in 2022. But the accident is only the start. The choices you make right after can decide your family's financial future. We'll show you exactly what to do, who is actually liable, and the vital mistakes you absolutely must avoid. The worst has happened. You're injured on site. What are the non-negotiable first steps you must take? Step 1. Get medical attention instantly. Don't tough it out. This creates a medical record that is your legal proof. Even if you feel fine, severe conditions like traumatic brain injuries often have delayed symptoms. A doctor's exam can find what you can't. Step 2. Report the injury to your employer. In Nevada, you have just 7 days. Miss this, and you can lose your benefits entirely. Step 3. Document everything. Take photos of the scene, your injuries, faulty equipment, get witness contacts. This evidence disappears fast. Once you've reported the injury, the system presents 2 very different paths for payment. Do you know the critical difference between them? Path 1 is workers' compensation. It's a no-fault system, meaning it pays for medical bills and some lost wages no matter who caused it. Why no fault? The system is a trade-off. You get faster benefits, but you give up your right to sue your direct employer for the injury. But this is the limitation that changes everything. Workers' comp does not cover pain and suffering. It also covers only a portion of lost wages. This is why a serious injury can still cause financial ruin, even with workers' comp. For a true recovery, you must look to Path 2. Path 2 is a third-party lawsuit. This is how you seek full payment, including for pain and suffering, from a different company whose negligence hurt you. So if you can't sue your boss, who are these third parties? Let's look at who is really held responsible on a Las Vegas job site. Consider falls from heights, a top cause of construction deaths. If a different subcontractor built unsafe scaffolding, they can be held liable. The property owner or general contractor can also be liable if they knew about a dangerous condition on site and failed to correct it. What about faulty equipment? A defective harness or a malfunctioning power tool? The manufacturer of that product can be held responsible. So, the path you're on depends on who is at fault. Workers' comp is for the event itself. A lawsuit is for the negligence of others. But the rules aren't always that simple. Several factors can completely change who you can hold responsible for your injury. First, are you an independent contractor? If so, you're not covered by workers' comp and can sue the company that hired you directly. Second, are you a site visitor, like a delivery driver? You're not an employee, so you can file a full personal injury lawsuit for negligence. Third, were there any OSHA safety violations? Proving a rule was broken is powerful evidence that a third party was negligent, strengthening your case. But for any of these third-party lawsuits, there is a hard deadline. In Nevada, you generally have just 2 years from the injury date to file. Knowing the rules is half the battle. But what are the common mistakes that can destroy even a perfect case from the inside out? Mistake 1. Giving a recorded statement to any insurance adjuster. That third party's insurer will use your words to shift blame and deny liability. Mistake 2. Accepting a quick settlement. That lowball offer is designed to make you forget about the pain and suffering damages we just covered. Recall how vital immediate medical care is? It's also because the mental trauma from an accident, like PTSD, is a compensable part of your claim. Finally, know that some employers might downplay your injury. This is why your own evidence, the photos and witness info, is your best defense. So, what is the single biggest mistake you can make? Trying to handle this system of deadlines, dual paths, and insurance tactics all by yourself. Let's put it all together. The danger on a Las Vegas job site is real. Your actions in the first 7 days are paramount for your case. And your path to full financial recovery almost always means looking past workers' comp to hold the responsible third parties accountable. An injury on the job doesn't just affect you, it impacts your entire family. Protect their future. Understand your rights before you sign or say anything.